How to use Microsoft Store on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Microsoft Store to download new apps or any other movies or something. Now all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Store, and as you can see this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is search for a movie, or you can just search for an app. There's the free ones and the paid ones, as you can see. Now for example, if you want to download something, let's say for example I'm gonna download TikTok. Now click here on Get, and after you click Get, it will start downloading with you. It's actually very easy than it looks. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to support us for more videos like this one. And you can check our other educational videos.